Deep cleaning on Sony PlayStation PS4 Slim. Thank you, ma'am Nicole, for trusting PTTIT Solutions. A full deep cleaning service was performed on the Sony PlayStation PS4 Slim to restore proper cooling performance, reduce fan noise, and protect the system from overheating. Over time, gaming consoles accumulate significant amounts of dust due to continuous airflow through their cooling system. Without regular maintenance, this buildup can cause excessive heat, loud fan operation, slow performance, or even system shutdowns. The procedure began with carefully opening the PS4 Slim's outer casing to access the internal components. Once inside, a substantial amount of dust buildup was found on the cooling fan, heat sink, power supply intake vents, and around the motherboard. This dust restricts airflow and forces the fan to run at higher speeds, leading to loud noise and reduced cooling efficiency. Using compressed air and anti-static tools, the cooling fan was thoroughly cleaned to restore smooth and quiet rotation. The heatsink fins, a crucial component for heat dissipation, were unclogged to ensure proper airflow and more efficient cooling. Dust was also removed from the motherboard, optical drive area, and internal vents to prevent heat from being trapped inside the system. The thermal environment inside the console was significantly improved after cleaning. Additional attention was given to the air pathways and external exhaust vents to ensure that the console can properly intake and expel air during operation. Once the internal cleaning was completed, the PS4 Slim was reassembled and tested for performance, stability, and noise levels. After the deep cleaning, the PS4 Slim now operates cooler, the fan runs more quietly, and the system can maintain stable performance even during long gaming sessions. This maintenance helps extend the lifespan of the console and prevents overheating-related issues, giving the user a smoother and more reliable gaming experience. Deep cleaning is done. Visit our shop to avail our service. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.